Hello friends, welcome to the TNPSC history questions. Find out the wrong pair. The wrong pair was cats first domesticated was wrong. Find the odd one. Paintings were drawn on rocks and caves. There were paintings depicting hunting scenes. It was drawn to show his family members about hunting. The painting were painted by using many colors. The The odd one was it was drawn to show his family members about hunting. Third one. The old Stone Age man lived mostly in cave. Fourth. Dash is the father of history. Herodotus. Dash was the first animal tamed by old stone. That was dog. Inscriptions are dash sources. Archaeological sources. Dharma Chakra has 24 spokes. The process of evolution is gradual. Tanzania is situated in the continent of Africa. Tanzania, Africa. Rock paintings are found at Dash in Nilgiris. Parivarai Cave, Karaikayur. Parivarai Cave, Karaikayur in Nilgiris. Rock paintings. What metals were known to be the people of Indus civilization? Copper, bronze, silver, gold, but not iron. Except iron, copper, bronze, silver, gold was known to Indus Valley civilization peoples. Indus civilization belonged to Metal Age. Which of the following statement about Mohenjo-daro is correct? Both B and D are correct. Houses were made of burnt bricks. Great Path was made watertight with the layers of natural bitumen. Find out the wrong pair. Harappan civilization, River Kaveri. That was the wrong pair. That was Harappan civilization, Indus River. Dash is the oldest civilization. Mesopotamia civilization was the oldest civilization. Archaeological Survey of India was founded by Alexander Cunningham. Which of the following region has a city more than 6,500 years old? Indus Valley. Which city is not related to the Bay of Bengal? Kanchipuram. Which city is related to Kiyadi excavation? That was Madurai. Find out the correct statement. In this four, correct statement was option D. Pearls were exported from Urai near Korkai. Find out the wrong statement. The wrong statement was option C. Kovalan and Kannagi lived in Kanchipuram. That was wrong. Kanchi Kailasanatha temple was built by Rajasimha. Kanchi Kailasanatha temple was built by Rajasimha. Aryans first settled in Dash region, Punjab region. Aryans came from Central Asia. Aryans came from Central Asia. Our national motto, Satyameve Jayade, is taken from Upanishad. What was the ratio of land revenue collected during Vedic age? 1/6. Which of the statement is not correct in the Vedic society? Child marriage was in practice. In Vedic society, child marriage was not in practice. What is the correct ascending order of the Rig Vedic society? The ascending order was Kula, Grama, Vis, Jana, Rashtra. Option B. Dash was a tax collected from the people in Vedic period. Bali was a tax. Adichanallur is in Thoothukudi district. Adichanallur, Thoothukudi district. What is the name of the Buddhist scripture? Three Pitakas. Three Pitakas. Buddhist scripture. Who was the first Tirthangara of Jainism? Rishabha. Rishabha was the first Tirthangara of Jainism. How many Tirthangaras were there in Jainism? 24. Where was the third Buddhist council convened? Pataliputra. Pataliputra was. Where was the third Buddhist council convened? Pataliputra. Where did Buddha deliver his first sermon? Sarnath. First sermon of Buddha was in Sarnath. Which of the following about Jainism is correct? Jainism denies God as the creator of universe. Circle the odd one. Parsava, Mahavira, Rishabha, Buddha. Buddha was the odd one. Other three are related to Jainism. Find out the wrong pair. Brahmacharya, married status. That was Brahmacharya is a single status. All the following statements are true of Siddhartha Gautama except he is the founder of Hinduism. Siddhartha Gautama was not the founder of Hinduism. The doctrine of Mahavira is called Three Ratnas. The doctrine of Mahavira is called Three Ratnas. Dash is a state of freedom from suffering and rebirth. Moksha. Moksha. Tirupati Kundram. A village in Kanchipuram was once called Jinakanji. Dash were built over the remains of Buddha's body. Stupas. The kingdom which was most powerful among the four Mahajanapadas. The most powerful kingdom among the four Mahajanapadas was Magadha. Among the following, who was the contemporary of Gautama Buddha? Ajatasattu. It's Ajatasattu. Which of the following are the sources of Mauryan period? All. Arthasastra, Indica, Mudra Kashasha. Chandragupta Maurya abdicated the throne and went to Shravanbelgola along with Jaina saint Bhadrabahu. 48. Dash was the ambassador of Seleucus Nicator. Megasthenes. Ambassador of Seleucus Nicator was Megasthenes. Who was the last emperor of Mauryan dynasty? Brihardatta. Brihardatta was the last emperor of Mauryan dynasty. Arrange the following dynasties in chronological order. Haryanka, Shishunga, Nanda and Maurya. Haryanka, Shishunga, Nanda and Maurya was the chronological order of dynasties. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. If there was any mistakes in the question, please leave in comment section. Have a nice day. All the best for your upcoming exams. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.